Welcome back, everyone. I'm Scott Sery, the founder of Know to Grow, where I take you from having no idea how to make money without a boss to growing that idea so that you can live life on your own terms. Today's video is going to get into something a bit of, I don't know what to call it, meta. I hope I don't get sued for using that word. Maybe some abstract thinking a bit. I'll go through a few examples that I was able to find and just try to explain it from there. This video comes from a quote I heard recently. The quote is the title of another video, is the title of this video, and it says, "They always tell you there will be another chance." But then it just leaves it open to interpretation after a somewhat macabre and ominous sounding statement. They always tell you there will be another chance, but eventually you use up all of your chances. Now, the easiest example I can think of is when it comes to a boyfriend or girlfriend type situation, or even husband or wife, or really whatever relationship you want to put in there. Say partner number one makes a big fat mistake. It's cheating, or just being emotionally distant, or maybe it's going to that soul-sucking 9-to-5 job that's really more like a 7-to-7 job, and he or she is just never around for the other partner or the family. So partner number two is calling it quits. They just cannot handle it anymore. Partner number one obviously realizes the error of his ways, and he vows to lay off the drugs, or stop visiting the prostitutes, or otherwise eliminate that vice that is coming between the two of them. And then things are good for a while. But then partner number one blows it again. This could be a continuous cycle that seems to never end, and there will always be another chance until there isn't one. How about this one? O.J. Simpson, acquitted of killing his ex, Nicole Brown, and Ron Goldman back in 1995. He managed to escape going to prison, even though I believe a majority of people figured he actually did commit the crime. But being charged with murder kind of blows your reputation, and things kept going downhill even after getting that second chance. He then got involved in armed robbery and kidnapping in 2007, and there wasn't another chance after that. He was sentenced to 33 years in prison, out on parole after serving about 9 of them, so I guess technically he did get another chance, but not really. What about Lance Armstrong? You know, the amazing cyclist that was crushing it at Tour de France. In the late 1990s, he battled testicular cancer, and he beat it. And he had a second chance to live life to the fullest with fame and fortune, until he was caught in a doping scandal. Now, the full extent of his involvement was never really discovered, but he's been banned for life from all competitive sports. And there's even one report that says he lost $75 million in one day because his sponsors dropped him. So it's a bit of a morose video today, but the point is that you don't always get second chances, let alone third, fourth, fifth, or even more than that. At some point, the chances just stop. Your life is what you make of it. Nobody's handing you things on a platter or forcing you to take them and deal with them. So what are you going to do to ensure that you're not blowing whatever chance you happen to be in right now? Now, if you've made it this far, then you're ready to grab the future by the horns, or the balls, or wherever you choose to grab the future. Head over to www.knowtogrow.com and sign up for free. From there, I'll teach you exactly how you can maximize what you already have, so that you can look back and say, I'm sure glad I didn't blow it, because I don't know how many more chances I would have gotten after that one.